Hi there, everybody. I am Caitlin McDonald, and I am the owner and co-founder of Boundless Internet Marketing Solutions. We're a full-service digital marketing agency, and I am also a partner over here at the Social Speak Network. And we offer education and resources to solopreneurs, business owners, and marketing directors as they seek to empower themselves to manage their own digital marketing efforts. So I'm really excited today. We're going to be talking about Facebook ads, and not Facebook ads, in general, but specifically lead capture Facebook ads. And so recently we've seen these ads to work tremendously well to increase your email list and to get consent from folks to follow up with them from consultations. And it's just really easy because people aren't prompted to leave Facebook and they can just fill out the form right there. So let me jump on over to my, my computer screen so that we can walk through the process of creating a lead capture Facebook ad right now as we're live together. So here we go. Just 1 second, share, ads manager. Perfect. So here we have just the general ads manager screen, and there are a lot of different options here: awareness, consideration, conversions. And the one that we want to do is lead generation. So I'm going to click on lead generation. It's going to prompt me to name the ad. Lead ad, continue. And the first step after you create the campaign is creating an ad set. And I like naming all of these, even though Facebook provides you a prompt of them. Lead ad set. Then you select the page that this is going to be referring back to. I'll just keep it like that. And I'm going to create a new audience in this case. And so let's see. I want this ad to be as though I am a business consultant who specifically is working for mompreneurs and wants to help them, remain more productive. And I have some product that has to do with that. And so I'm going to select just a range of ages here. And I'm choosing 25 to 55, again, mompreneurs, so women. And then the detailed targeting. So here I'm looking for business owners. Oops. So business owner, maybe small business. Small business owners. A freelancer, etc. And then I'm going to narrow the audience to moms. And so let's see, there's moms of preschool kids. There are a lot of selections for moms. Moms of grade school kids. Try to stay at home mom. And then of course there are a lot more than just these ones, but for time's sake, I'm going to just do this. And connection type, I want to do one that excludes people that like my page. So I'm putting Boundless Internet Marketing Solutions there. Then you can select your daily budget or lifetime budget. Let's say we only want to run this for $100 over the next 2 weeks or so. And we want it to be for leads. You can also run ads on a schedule. So let's say you're only targeting new moms, which is also a selection. Potentially you want to try and sync it up with common nap times or when the kid's already asleep, right? So you could run the ads on a schedule, or maybe you want to run it when the kids are awake because, trying to multitask and have your phone out and everything. But you can figure that one out yourself. Then the next thing that we do, oops, I have to just agree and accept the terms, and hopefully this all stayed good, is we click continue, and it's time to create the ad. Now you can create this ad in a lot of different ways. We've found that slideshows and videos work a lot better to get people's attention in the news feed as they are, you know, just scrolling along. So seeing something that's moving with captions can really help get their attention. So I'm just going to click on the slideshow one because I don't have a video to upload, and it will prompt you on what to do to add the photos. And I'm going to just choose from my image library because I have a handful that are here right now. Confirm. And it will load them up. I like having fade, having the video up for a couple of seconds, and then you can add some music. Let's see. You can get kind of stuck in this. But there we go. So there's our slideshow. I'm going to say save, and it will start loading. Typically, while it's loading, I like to have the text. This is the part that actually pulls up in the description up above the slideshow that's going to appear. I like this being longer. So again, we're having this be so we're a business coach, and we are trying to do mompreneurs, and what we want to position, you know, this product is a way to be more productive. So do you find yourself always wishing there were more hours in the day? Question mark. Now I have a solution for you. After a decade of working with mompreneurs, my tested system will help you reach your goals with time to spare. The headline's what appears directly under. To download your free guide. Take control back of your day today. I don't know. And so let's see. We also want to, so now we have this ad built, and we want to add the captions to the slideshow. And that's, again, just if people, you know, are scrolling through, they see something moving, they'll stop and look at it. And this is great, especially for if you have a video and you're actually talking and explaining things, having the captions on it allows people to watch rather than listen, because if they are, you know, busy doing something else, they might not want the sound on. So I'm just going to make this super easy and have, oops, like half the time. And then I'm going to say, download free guide today. Save that to the video. So now when it plays, it will have that caption appear, which is great. So the next and the last thing that we need to do is set up the lead form. So we're going to have to create a new lead form here. Sample form. And what I love about this is we can actually make it so that we are asking for someone's name, for their phone number, for their email address, and even asking them if they want to be contacted for a free consultation. So we have the intro, and we can put, you know, some text up here. Typically, I put the ad text here again, or a condensed version of the ad text. I want to use the image from the ad just so it stays consistent. You want to have that consistency run throughout. And then we also want to have the questions. So we can adjust the headline. So download free guide. Name and email to download free guide. And I want to also have the phone number and a custom question. And this is going to be multiple choice. Like a free consultation. And have yes as an answer and not at this time as an answer. And here we go. And you can add as many other or a few more custom questions. Privacy policy. So you do have to have a privacy policy. And Google will, or Facebook will review this. And then I selected up at the top, I had it be intent driven. And so before people click submit, I'm going to have them actually review their answers. And then there's the thank you screen. And what I want this to be is, you can change the headline, but click the button below to download your free guide, free productivity guide. And download, let's see, download guide today. And then I put in the link again right here. For the guide. Basically, if you have a WordPress site, you can easily upload it to your media library or really any other website. Just upload it to the back end of your website and then have the guide available for download. And so I'm going to click finish. Oops, let's see. Load your free. And if you miss a section, as you just saw, it will just pop up saying that you have to finish it. So here we have the view of the form, and I'm just going to click to review this. Let's click confirm. And from here, we will be able to, if it ever works, take a look at the actual ad. So it is just pending review right now, and I want to edit it in order to view it. So let's see, just as a desktop news feed, and we can scroll down and look, here it is. So we have the slideshow, and it has the music playing. And it looks like the captions haven't been approved yet, but that's okay. And then when we click sign up, there's a pop-up, and this is just happening because it's not approved yet, but the image would show up right up here. And we have the title, the brief paragraph, enter your name and email to download the free guide. Yes, I'd like a free consultation. And it prompts the user filling it in with their current information about what their email is, as well as their name and their phone number. And then all you have to do is click submit and you are all set, ready to go. So I hope that this has been helpful for you as you get started with your socials or with your Facebook ads and your promotions there. In the meantime, please feel free to reach out with any comments that you have about information that may have been missed on this page. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time.